Today we're turning simple dried lima beans into a warm and nourishing winter soup. Cozy, budget-friendly, and full of everyday flavor. Here's what I'm using. Soaked dried lima beans, onion, carrot, celery, canned diced tomatoes, and pantry seasonings, oregano, basil, cumin, smoked paprika, and a bay leaf. Warm a little oil in your pot and add your onion, carrot, and celery. Cook until everything softens and smells like the start of something good. Add your oregano, basil, cumin, and smoked paprika, and let them toast for a moment. Drop in your bay leaf too. Add your soaked lima beans and a can of diced tomatoes. Give everything a good stir so all those flavors can come together. Once it's simmered until the beans are tender, you're left with this warm, comforting bowl of lima bean soup. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.